You're joking. Not another one? Oh, for God's sake, I can't stand this. There's too much politics going on at the moment.
That's right, Brenda. It's happened again. We have our 6th Prime Minister in 10 years. King of the North, Andy Burnham, is next in line to lead us through the choppy waters to the next election in 2029. And in those years, we've had Theresa May.
I enjoy cooking, which has a benefit because we get to eat it as well as make it.
Boris Johnson.
I sometimes succumb to flapjacks.
Liz Truss.
We import 2/3 of our cheese. That is a disgrace.
Rishi Sunak.
I'm an enormous Coca-Cola fan. Coke, yes, I won't drink. No Diet Coke, no Coke Zero, never any Pepsi.
Keir Starmer.
And your dad, I think it's right to say, was a tool maker?
He was a tool maker, yeah.
And now, Andy Burnham. Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Off the Couch. Ant here, and we've always kind of said that we never really wanted to cover politics too much on the channel, but I think it's really unavoidable because it affects our lives so much, doesn't it? And we're always going to do our best to stay impartial, to look at the pros and the cons of any political decisions that affect mental health in the country, whether it's from Labour or Conservatives or Reform, the Greens, Lib Dems. We'll do our best to just cover the news at hand, and I think, yeah, give our opinion on it as well, and hopefully not pull any punches, you'll agree, as we go forward. But I thought I'd do a quick video today on what Andy Burnham is promulgating and advising going forward for what we do as a country in regards to mental health. So the biggest takeaway at the moment that I get from his pledges, from what I've read and I've seen, is that he's going to hopefully create some community hubs, and I think 59 new A&E hubs for mental health. So I think that's, yeah, quick maths, 159 in total to add to what we've got already. So crisis centres, walk-in places, A&Es. So I mean, on the face of it, you can't really complain with that, right? I mean, we definitely need it. It's much needed, I think, because A&Es are overwhelmed. I think we could all say that. I mean, the waiting times that we're all experiencing these days is really, really not good enough for such a wealthy country that we have and live in. And I think they can be very overstimulating as well, can't they? And very, very stressful to be in those environments where you've got people coughing, spluttering, you've got medics running past you. And if you're in a mental health crisis, it's probably one of the least kind of environments that you want to be in. And I think these hubs and new crisis centres are planned to be a lot more peaceful, calming, and an area where you can go to have, let's hope so, quality care, but in a manner where it's not so much like a war zone. Because yeah, our A&Es they kind of resemble that a lot of the time at the moment, don't they? So let's look at the costs. It's going to cost 343 million. I mean, yeah, it's hard to say, is that worth it? Is that too much? Is that not enough? I mean, it sounds a lot, doesn't it? But mental health is a vital thing that we need to think about. And I think the way they're outlining these new proposals is that it's more of a preventative measure rather than the firefighting that we usually see from our healthcare and even private care, I think you could say. So yeah, I think we definitely need it. We definitely need it, more spaces where people go to, and I don't think you really can put a price tag on that, can you? I mean, life is getting even more challenging, it seems, doesn't it, with the cost of living, wars going across the world, social media. We've never been so connected, have we? And that obviously plays a part on people's mental health as well. So I think some would argue that this is one of the most challenging times since the Second World War. I mean, I think it's hard to disagree with that. And as a therapist, what I see on a weekly basis and hearing tale to tale, yeah, I find it hard to disagree with that as well. So I'd be really interested to see if this comes to fruition. I mean, we all know it. Politicians make promises and we don't see them followed through. So yeah, we've kind of got to take it with a pinch of salt for now, but I really hope it does come into action, because I think it's a good, solid idea, a really solid idea, and just really curious to know what you think as well. Do you think this is a good idea? Is it too simplistic? Any other ideas that you have? Is it another kind of political play, or are you skeptical, or you're hopeful? Drop your comments below, and yeah, I'd like to read them and maybe form some sort of debate on this. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.